Hi everyone, it's Fauza Bain again, and welcome to a new tutorial of mine where I show you how to format a pen drive from the command line on Windows. Okay, let's do it. Once you are in your desktop, insert the pen drive into USB port. Now go to this PC or my computer for those using Windows 7 and look for your inserted pen drive label. Next to this label is a letter. Mine is G. This letter needs to be written down or remembered in order to complete this process. Now, go to the Start menu and type CMG. Press Enter. When the command line prompts Windows open, you need to type this command: format, followed by the letter of your USB pen drive, colon, and then press Enter. Press Enter again. This process will take a while, so let me pause this video and get back to you when it's done. Hey, I'm back, and we are almost at the end of this process. We just need to do this last process, which is to give a name to our pen drive. I will label mine as flash drive. Press on Enter. You have now completed the process of formatting the pen drive using CMG. Go back to your computer to check that the formatting has been successful. Refresh. I think everything is okay. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, subscribe if not yet, like, comment and share to help more people, and see you next time in the future tutorials.